Okay, I'm going to show you a basic OneText button setup. We just hold any button to enter its settings screen. First of all, we choose a contact. You can type in a contact name, or you can scroll through. You can see there Father Christmas and his telephone number at the top. Then we type the SMS text message. Running late again, sorry, and we OK that. Then we can give the button a label. Late again, this is just as a reminder. Then we can select any button icon. So again, this customises it further, just to help remind you what that button does. There's over 200 to choose from there. I'm going to pick one that relates to a message, so a red traffic light. Save and exit. Then each time we tap that button, that will send a message to Father Christmas.